This video combines 3 easy ways to get you super relaxed fast. And if you listen towards the end, I'll give you 3 ways to keep that relaxation going. And at the very end, stay tuned for a laugh. If you're driving right now or doing anything that requires your full attention in order to be safe, this is not the time to watch this video. Getting started now with technique number 1. Follow along with me now. You're going to take a deep breath in. Suspend that breath, meaning just hold it in for a little bit. And while you're holding it for a few seconds, you're going to tense all the muscles of your body, from your feet all the way to your head, everything in between. Tight, tight, tight. Exhale. Release all that tension on the exhale. Okay, good. I'm going to do that 2 more times. Inhale deep. Suspend that breath, tense everything up. Exhale, relax. 1 more time. Inhale deep. Suspend the breath. Tighten all your muscles. Your face. Make a silly tight face. Scrunch your shoulders, feet, legs, hips, everything tight. Exhale, let it all go. Good, 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 good. Awesome. So you may already notice, if you were holding tension in your body, that you're feeling a little bit more relaxed. You can do that as many times as you like. 1 time might be enough. Doing it 3 times like we just did, or more if needed. Okay, time for number 2. Together now, we're going to slow down and deepen the breath. If you don't know what belly breathing or diaphragmatic breath is, I have another video that I highly recommend, and I will leave that link in the video description for you. So, we're going to slow the breath down to the count of 8 on the inhale, 8 on the exhale. If 8 feels like it's too much for you, too hard, then you can back it down to 7 or 6 or 5 or whatever works for you. For now, we're just going to take it to the count of 8, and I will guide us to do it together. One additional element, as you exhale to that count of 8, imagine all the muscles in your body relaxing even more. Okay, here we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And exhale, relax. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And now, number 3. This tool is called progressive relaxation, and it's something you can take a long time to do if you want. We're going to do a super quick version because sometimes you don't have time for a full half-hour progressive relaxation. So we're going to do it very quick, and I will guide you through it. It's best to do it with your eyes closed because what you're bringing is awareness to different parts of your body, so it's easier to do that with your eyes closed. So follow along with me. I'm going to close my eyes, and I invite you to do the same. Unless you're in a situation where you can't or you don't feel comfortable doing that, then adjust it and do it with just your eyes open, but relax your eyes, okay? So just allow the breathing to be deep and easy, and then bring your attention to your feet and imagine your feet relaxing. Your lower legs now. Focus there and just relax. Your upper legs relax. So now from your feet up through your legs, all the muscles are relaxed. As we move into the lower torso, just bringing your attention there, relaxing. Especially your lower back, just letting all the muscles there relax. The middle of the torso, relaxing as you're breathing. Your upper torso relaxes all the way up to your shoulders. Just feel your shoulders sinking down gently into their sockets, relaxing. Your upper arms relax. Your lower arms relax. Your wrists and hands relax. And your neck, relaxing. Your jaw, just let your jaw relax, along with all the muscles in your face. Sometimes you hold tension in your face, you don't realize it. Allowing your face to relax, allowing your scalp to relax. And now take a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, just allow that relaxation to deepen even more. Good. And then gently open your eyes. These 3 techniques can be done separately. They can also be done together. And the point is, often you might think, oh, I don't have time to relax. Well, these techniques take hardly any time at all. The first one you can do in a matter of seconds. And so therefore, yes, you can sneak some relaxation into your busy schedule. And now here are 3 ways to keep the relaxation going. Way number 1. For those times when you do have a little bit more time to relax, visit the Deep Relaxation playlist on this Joyful Being with Kim channel. And there are some videos there that will take you to a very deep state of relaxation. And I will leave that playlist for you, the link to that, in the video description. Way number 2, give yourself quick relaxation breaks throughout your day. A minute here, 2 minutes there, 5 minutes there. Just sneak it in on a bathroom break or a walk outside or just a moment or two to just give yourself that little relaxation break, and that way the tension doesn't build up throughout your day. Way number 3, copy and save the link to this video so you can play it again and have me guide you through these relaxation techniques. It doesn't take long, and it's a super easy way to get yourself relaxed fast. I'm Kim, and I invite you to subscribe to this channel for more tools, tips, and uplifting videos to make you feel great. Until next time, keep your sense of humor and keep looking for ways to do more of this.